You can give space para makakita.
You can wrap your mom. Okay. You can wrap your mom or dad by using the tissue.
So,
The more that is good, she will be the winner. Okay? Kailangan maganda yung pag-wrap.
you wrap your mom or your dad
A mommy. A mommy.
You will turn your mom or your dad into a mommy.
Okay?
By using the toilet tissue, wrap your whole body of your mom or your daddy.
2 minutes. Okay? Only 2 minutes. Okay? Next.
Pero pag naupo tayo, patay na. Kasi may hirapan sila.
It's up to you. It's all your decision if you want to stand, sit down, as long as they will round you. Okay?
Okay, are you ready?
Timer starts now! If your dad or mom a mommy, a scary one, a scary one, who will be a scary mom or dad? That's 1 minute.
It's okay to be you can have a minute. Latino, you can do it. Mommy, you can have
Move, dance. And then you have to return it back. The tissue.
Okay, so 1,
Roll up again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we choose which. Okay, so let's let her judge. Huh? The first
Yung lalaki.
Ayun o, hindi na
The thing is soft race. You know what is a soft race, right? So you will go inside the garbage. The garbage trash, plastic bag. Then you're going to drop. The kids will just stay in your place. Only the mommy will do the race. Okay? The mommy or the daddy will do the race only. The child will stay in your place. Now once your mom is back, you will run behind the line. Okay?
Kawir tayo lalaro.
Yes. The mommy and the daddy will play the game. The child will stay in your place. Then your mom return your place. Both of you will run at the back. Okay, you will run behind the line. Are you ready?
Okay, ready? Get set. Go!
Go!
Run, mommy, run.
Go! Okay, back down.
Bring me.
Bring me.
Okay, bring me. Red lipstick. Red lipstick. Red lipstick. Can I see?
Is it red or pink?
Red or pink? Try it. Try. Ah, red. Ay, where's it? Wow!
Bring me a red shoes. Oh, Super Mario is coming. Super Mario is coming.
It's not red. It's orange. Ah, don't call me. Yay! Bring me.
iPhone 17. Bring me an iPhone 17.
iPhone 17. Wala pa? Sino kayang rich? Bring me. Pataka. Give me Mastercard.
Your mom or your dad. ID card.
Finish. No, not card. It's alien card.
Finish. Bring it from your parents. Bring it from your parents. Give it back.
Yun na. Bring me. For you. Kids, announce natin yung meron pinili po yung Hypermax. Pumili sila.
Best costume.
We select 3 also best in costume. Don't expect too much. Small token lang, small token.
Wow, yan yung inaantay ko eh. Hello, guys. Hindi, nagkuha na ako dalawa.
Sige. Other no taking pictures. Okay. Oh, there's a kidnapped guy here. How much the ransom? Can I share? Daddy, how much he give money? Joker. How much? Okay. Where's the kids? 0 to 4 years old. Please come here this side. 0 to 4 so that the judge will see again your costume. From 0 to 4 years old, please fall in line in here, in left side. Then 5 to 9 years old and 9 to 12. Okay, kids, hello. Mami, paki-assist. 0 to 4 years old, 5 to 9, and 9 to 12. Okay?
Ajaman. Bibi.
0 to 4, 5 to 9, 9 to 12. Kami po pala ulit nagpapasalamat sa mga nag-sponsor po for this year 11th year trick or treat ng Samahan ng Pilipino dito sa Salala. Maraming salamat po sa nag-sponsor sa 3 Million, sa Hypermax, Dr. Madonna, and sa lahat po ng mommies na nagpunta, nag-join, nagbigay ng mga treats sa mga kids natin. Maraming salamat po. Sa ulitin po ulit next year. Okay! 0 to 4. Ito po yung 0 to 4. Ito po yung 5 to 9 and 9 Kids, quiet. Listen, listen. Okay. 0 to 5. Okay. Yung pong munang first na award namin, galing po yun sa amin, sa organizer. Yung pong prize, may nag-sponsor din. Tapos, konting token lang po mga mamis, and certification po. Okay, ilalim natin yung third prize. Yung third prize po. Nag-uusap-usap pa yung mga judge. And the winner is... Thank you so much. Kids, lahat napaka-gaganda nyo. Your effort is very appreciated. Thank you so much.
Use sprinkler. Play in the water. Water.
Dala niyo, mamaya meron lang.
I want to show you play in the water. I don't. No,
Okay. Our turn, please. Parang nawala yung third place.
No, EJ's number 1.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, you're the one from the
Okay, our third place, best in costume, third place. Ito po, I believe, galing po sa amin, mga organizer, and some token po. Our third place, ang award is, I think, Teo. Teo Kang. Third place. Picture na, picture. Picture combination. Patay. Patay, picture. Okay. Second place goes to... May malaking cash. Malaking cash. Malaki to, malaki. Okay. Dito galing sa contract ko, ha? Okay, our second place goes to Bella. Bella the princess. Bella the princess. Princess Bella. Second place.
But if it's that, I'll be like, meow. Okay, never mind.
No picture, please.
Or EJ. Bro, what is not going? There's no kids.
Okay. Our first place. That's our first place. First place goes to Okay, ang next po yung sa Carrefour naman. Sila po yung nag-choose, yung Carrefour.